Hello everyone, in this report, we will be discussing the ischemic stroke therapeutics and diagnostics market, providing an executive summary for the period 2025 to 2030. We'll cover the market size and growth drivers, innovation dynamics, leading innovators, and key strategic takeaways. Starting with the market overview, the global ischemic stroke therapeutics and diagnostics market is valued at approximately $40 to $0.07 billion in 2025. It is expected to grow to $83.91 billion by 2034, expanding at a CAGR of 7.96%. This growth is fueled by technological advancements in treatment and diagnostic methods and the rising global prevalence of ischemic stroke. Within this market, there are two segments, therapeutics and diagnostics. The therapeutics market is currently valued at approximately $5.7 billion and is projected to reach $9.80 billion by 2034, growing at a CAGR of 7.13%. On the other hand, the diagnostics market is expected to grow from $3.39 billion in 2025 to $5.99 billion by 2033, with a CAGR of 7.35%. Next, let's explore the innovation dynamics within the ischemic stroke therapeutics and diagnostics market. There are two primary forces driving innovation: technology push and market pull. On the technology side, we have advanced imaging, which involves integrating artificial intelligence with magnetic resonance imaging and computed tomography scans to enhance diagnostic speed and accuracy, leading to timely interventions. Additionally, novel therapeutics, such as the drug Sovateltide, represent new treatment approaches that target neurovascular remodeling. Furthermore, the rise of minimally invasive procedures like mechanical thrombectomy and stent retriever techniques has improved patient outcomes, driving innovation in these areas. The market pull factors include an aging population. As the elderly population increases, the incidence of ischemic strokes also rises, amplifying the demand for effective treatment and driving innovation in the space. Additionally, the expansion of healthcare infrastructure, particularly in emerging markets such as in Asia-Pacific, enhances access to advanced diagnostics and therapies, contributing to market growth and innovation. Lastly, supportive government initiatives and favorable reimbursement policies encourage the adoption of innovative solutions, further fueling market expansion. Now let's delve into some of the leading innovators in the ischemic stroke therapeutics and diagnostics market. We'll discuss their key products, mechanisms of action, routes of administration, sales figures, exclusivity details, and strategic outlooks. Number 1. Bristol-Myers Squibb, Pfizer, 𝗜𝗦𝗖𝗛𝗓𝗏. This drug is indicated for preventing stroke in patients with non-valvular atrial fibrillation. 𝗜𝗏𝗧𝗏 is a factor Xa inhibitor that works by reducing the formation of blood clots. It is available as an oral tablet and injection. In 2024, it generated sales of $3.4 billion. The drug faces patent expirations in 2026 in both US and EU. Bristol-Myers Squibb and Pfizer are focusing on life cycle management and exploring new indications to maintain its position in the market. Number 2. Genentech Roche Actavis Alteplase. Alteplase is a tissue plasminogen activator used for acute ischemic stroke. It dissolves blood clots by breaking down fibrin, the main component of blood clots. Alteplase is administered intravenously. While the patents have expired and generics are available in the market, it still remains the standard of care treatment for eligible patients. Genentech continues to innovate with Alteplase by developing new formulations and delivery systems to improve efficacy and safety. Number 3. Pharmazz Sovateltide. This drug has shown promising results in reducing disability in patients with acute cerebral ischemic stroke. It acts as a selective endothelin B receptor agonist, promoting neurogenesis and angiogenesis. Sovateltide is administered intravenously and was approved in India in 2023. While the patent protection is active in India, the company is in the process of filing for global patents. Pharmazz plans to expand the availability of this potentially transformative drug worldwide. Number 4. Bayer Xarelto-rivaroxaban. Similar to Eliquis, Xarelto is also a factor XA inhibitor used for stroke prevention and atrial fibrillation. It has shown efficacy in reducing the risk of stroke and systemic embolism in various patient populations. Xarelto is available as an oral tablet, and currently the US patent expires in 2024 while the EU patent protection extends until 2026. Bayer is preparing for the entry of generic competitors by seeking new indications and combination regimens to maintain its market presence. Number 5. Medtronic Solitaire Revascularization Device. This device is indicated for mechanical thrombectomy during endovascular procedures for acute ischemic stroke. It is a stent retriever used to retrieve and remove the blood clots from the cerebral arteries. Medtronic has several patents in place protecting its technology. The company is focused on expanding the device's indications and further refining its design and performance characteristics. In conclusion, the ischemic stroke therapeutics and diagnostics market is poised for significant growth, driven by technological advancements and the rising global burden of ischemic stroke. Therapeutic pipelines show a diverse range of options, from anticoagulants and thrombolytics to neuroprotective agents like Sovateltide. Device innovation, particularly in mechanical thrombectomy, is becoming standard of care for eligible patients. Moreover, the diagnostics sector is undergoing disruption, with AI and mobile imaging offering faster and more accurate point-of-care diagnosis. However, market entry remains challenging due to patent cliffs, reimbursement complexities, and clinical trial failure risks affecting timelines and pricing. Despite these challenges, opportunities abound in areas such as neurorestorative agents for post-stroke recovery, digital health tools for early diagnosis and rehabilitation monitoring, and emerging markets with rising incidence and improved healthcare access. By harnessing these opportunities, the market can continue to evolve and provide better solutions for those affected by ischemic stroke. Thank you for watching this report on the ischemic stroke therapeutics and diagnostics market. If you found it informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Stay healthy and keep learning.